In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a database template in Notion. This tutorial is perfect for beginners who are looking to streamline their workflow and maintain consistency across their projects using this versatile tool. So let's dive right in and explore how simple it is to set up a database template in Notion. First things first, we'll need to open a database in Notion. Whether you're starting with a completely new setup or using an existing database, this process will apply to both situations. If you're unfamiliar with how to create a database, simply head over to Notion, click on Add a Page, and choose from the database options, such as Table, Board, or List, to suit your project's needs. Remember, the type of database you choose should align with the structure that will best display your data. Once your database is open, look for the New Template button. It's usually found at the top right corner of your database page. Clicking this button is where the magic starts. By creating a template, you're essentially setting up a blueprint for your entries. And this is especially useful if you find yourself entering similar data repeatedly. Now, let's add some pre-filled properties and layout to your template. This is the stage where you can customize exactly what you want each new entry to look like. Think about the key information your entries should have for consistency. Are there specific tags, categories, or deadlines that should be included every time? By defining these fields in advance, you're making sure that every entry has all the necessary information at a glance. Additionally, Notion's flexible page layout allows you to insert headings, subsections, or even toggle lists specific to your needs, giving each new entry both form and function. After you've set up your template, it's time to start using it to create consistent entries. Next time you need to add an entry to your database, you'll have the option to quickly add it using this pre-structured template. This not only saves you time, but ensures that every new entry aligns perfectly with the parameters you've set, which is incredibly useful for maintaining accuracy and keeping your workflow organized. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, opening a database, clicking on New Template, adding your pre-filled properties and layout, and then applying it, you've created a powerful tool to aid in your productivity. Templates help minimize repetitive work and can significantly enhance your efficiency. So give it a try and see just how much easier managing data in Notion can be with a well-crafted template. Happy organizing, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tutorials like this one.